This Chevrolet City Express cargo van delivers a gas i4 2.0 liters engine powering this variable transmission. Cruise control, wipers, front intermittent wet arm with pulse washers, windows, power with driver express up/down. This Chevrolet City Express cargo van comes equipped with these options: wheels, 15, 38.1 centimeters, steel, warning tones, headlamp on and key in ignition, visors, driver and front passenger, cloth, padded, transmission, Xtronic CVT, continuously variable transmission, traction control and vehicle stability enhancement system, tools, mechanical jack and wheel reg, tires, 185/60R15C, 95/92 TTL, tire, spare, full size with steel wheel, tire pressure monitoring system, does not apply to spare tires, theft-deterrent system. Expert reviews. As reported by the manufacturer summary, the Chevrolet City Express cargo van is a new model for 2015 and your best partner for your business to help you get the job done. The City Express is efficient not just in form but in function, featuring a 2.0 liters CVT engine with 131 horsepower and 24 mpg city and 26 mpg highway fuel economy ratings. With 122.7 cubic feet of cargo volume, you can easily store a variety of goods in the 40/60 split rear. Doors can be opened up to 180 degrees for easy loading of said goods. The City Express standard mobile office center console features a passenger seat back that folds forward to create a flat workspace so you can keep your business running. The City Express also comes with commercial work-ready features including 20 integrated reinforced cargo mounting points and 6 exterior roof rack mounting points. Available modular packages include shelving, drawer units, book bars, door kits, trade packages, and dividers so you can customize as needed. The available technology package on the LT trim includes a touchscreen display with navigation, optional Bluetooth wireless technology with steering wheel mounted controls, a USB port, a rear vision camera, and rear park assist. The City Express comes standard with 6 airbags, anti-lock brakes, traction control, standard electronic stability control, and a tire pressure monitoring system. Stop by today. You've earned this. Stop by Laird Wheaton, located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9T3L3 to make this car yours today.